Hello, welcome. Did you know you can lose your future job just because of a comment you did on Facebook? Today, I'm going to show you how you can delete all your comments on Facebook. Let's go. So, if you launch your Facebook app, go to these three dots over here. You go to settings and privacy. You go to settings. You go to activity lock. You see manage posts activity. Okay, your post, your activity you are tagged in, interaction, like, reaction, comment. Click on manage interactions. Okay, wait for it to load. When you are here, you click on select all. If you want to delete all your interaction, click on select all. You click now on remove. You take yes, they say this action cannot be undone. If you are sure that you want to do it, you take yes, and then you enter your password. When you enter your password, you click on yes. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. It's loading. Good. All has been removed. You go now to trash. Nothing is there. Okay. So from here you can you redo the process until you delete all, because at times you can select just 10, 20 or 30. So you redo until you delete all. In my next video, I will show you how you can bulk delete all your Facebook posts. Okay.